I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the images you want as cute WhatsApp stickers. Pick clear faces or illustrations and crop roughly square. 512 by 512 pixels works best. Once done, install a trusted sticker creator app like Sticker Maker and grant storage and gallery permissions so it can read your files. You want at least 3 stickers for one pack. Make sure each image has transparent background or a clean outline. This prep saves time during the creation process and avoids blurry or cut-off stickers. Next, open the sticker app and create a new pack. Name it something memorable so WhatsApp shows it correctly. Import your chosen images one by one, then use the app's background removal tool or eraser to create clean edges. You can refine details and add small borders, shadows, or captions to enhance cuteness. Make sure each sticker sits well inside the frame and isn't cropped at the edges. Once each sticker looks right, save them to the pack. The app will prepare WebP files meant for WhatsApp import. Finally, export the pack by tapping Add to WhatsApp inside the sticker app. Confirm when WhatsApp asks to import the pack. Once imported, open any chat, tap the sticker's icon, and locate your new pack to test each sticker. If a sticker won't send or the pack doesn't appear, make sure the Creator app has storage and contact permissions, reboot WhatsApp, or recreate the pack ensuring at least 3 stickers and proper sizing. That usually fixes import or visibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.